doing? This is Frank with Vesco Oil. We're doing a review on RBL Polyester cutting pad and polishing pad, and we'll be using a 21mm throw that is offered by RBL, real nice machine, and we'll also be using Menzerna 300, 4000, and power lock. As you can see, we got a really bad trunk lid that's all scratched up, black. We're in the heat of the day right now. And we're gonna see what these pads can do. There's an interface pad that's in between. It's foam, so instead of having it adhered to it, it's like an extra. So when you're washing them, you don't have any of that adhesion problem coming undone. This pad is really almost reminds you of a Scotch-Brite pad. The red Scotch-Brite pads. This here is one of the most softest materials that I've ever felt for a pad. Really nice. I think this is going to excel. But anyhow, we're going to start off with the red pad. Red pad, 21mm. We're going to do FG 300. As you can see, I had a little clog right there. We're going to do 300 first with their cutting pad. So here we go. I worked that up. If you notice, there's not much heat on the pad at all either. I lost a couple products with all the vibration and stuff. But my next step is pretty much using the black pad, which I have here. Got the black pad, 4000. We're gonna leave the 300 on the hood. So leave the 300 on the hood. As you can see, still on there, still pliable, direct sunlight. Put some 4000 down. We're losing all our chemicals here, so we'll just put those on the ground for now. Everything with the rag. We keep losing it all. see, 4,000. It's got a nice haze on it. It's actually done quite a good job. Done quite a good job with the 4,000 on here. Really did get most of the scratches out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna polish again with our same type of pad, and we're gonna power lock it. And this is gonna make it easy to get the compounding stage off and all that good stuff. And again, you'll see that the big difference. Alright, I'm done with my 3 steps. See how there's a nice haze on the car? There's a nice big scratch right here, but I want everybody to keep in mind what we're doing. If you look, we're using a 21mm orbital. We're not using a rotary buffer, and we've got, I would say, 80% of the scratches out of this. There are some light ones, but again, those were deep. This one here, I'm going to have to take some wet sandpaper and really get at it with a wheel to get it off. You can see that one there. But take a look. All my swirls are gone. I would like to say that that finishing pad from RBL is one of the best finishing pads I've used. I'd like to see maybe the backer plate, the foam backer piece, be a little bit better of a material, but other than that, an amazing pad, an absolutely amazing pad. The cut pad, again, I think cut pretty well. One of the better cut pads. I think that actually excelled better than the Meguiar's fiber pads. And again, we use 300, 4,000 in power lock with a 21mm RBL throw orbital. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, you can leave some comments below. I'd like to get some feedback of what you guys think. And you can go to vescooil.com if you're looking for any kind of products or anything like that. So always remember, guys, do it right with Carb Right.